In this video, we are going to learn how to use the chat and collaboration feature in Microsoft Teams. So right now I am in my marketing team in general channel. So if you want to start a chat, what you can do is you can click on new conversation and just start the chat. Teams. So in this way the chat has been started. Now if you want to chat with a certain person or specific person, what you can do is you can just go in the search bar and search for the person. Demo account, here is the person. You can just go and start. So this conversation will be between you and the person who you have started chat, and the team's conversation will be visible to all the people within the team. So if you want to collaborate with the people, like other people within your team, what you can do is you can just go to files, and in this files you can just click on add new or upload any file you are working on, and you can just start working. So if you have uploaded any file, say suppose the Word document, then all the person who are in the team can collaborate. They can work real time and then work on that particular piece of document. Now apart from this, you can also add mentions where you can just have a conversation with a particular person. For example, if you type @demo, so this person, so what it does is it will just inform demo user account that you are wanting him to take some action in it. So like for example, demo account, can you please review it? So in this way the demo account will be notified in his activity channel that he has received some message on this channel group. Apart from that, you can also create a separate channel for your team. For example, if you want to have a channel of a new project that you are working on, then you can just go create, name that channel, for example, dashboard upgrade. Just enter and have access to the private team member, and you can just invite a particular person to that channel, like demo account, add, and then done. So the channel will be created and you can collaborate with only this person who has added in this channel. So only person who is added into this channel will be able to view this conversation. Apart from that, everyone else in the marketing team or the general channel won't be able to read these updates in the dashboard upgrade channel. So in this way you can chat and collaborate with the people in Microsoft Teams. Hey, let us know if you got any questions in the comment box below. Thank you. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Cheers until the next time.